Morning YouTubers, how's it going? You join us on a lovely Sunday morning. Drift Day is happening today, 27th of January. I thought I'd do something a bit different this morning and take you through a little adventure with the Driftland Marshals to see a day in the life of a Driftland Marshal. It's Matthew! Morning Matthew. Morning. Part of our glamorous marshalling team. Are you over the moon to be here on this beautiful morning? Yeah. Ready for another exciting day? Yeah. Shall I let you in? Yeah. Yeah, okay, good. Another addition to the glamorous marshalling team. It's Derek. It's not Stuart McClellan, it's Derek. No. How are you doing today? Alright, eh? Ready for another exciting day of getting buffeted by the worst wind in Scotland? That's alright. You've got it. You've got for it. You've got for it. Matthew is already getting on top of events here and he's off to go and get the track set up. What's your first plans on the busy day of unexpectedly large amounts of work that nobody really takes it granted for, eh? That's the unsung heroes of the track. Well, very true. Probably just double check and make sure that all the cones and stuff are set up. Good, I like the cone checking done. Yeah, the fence and stuff like that, just nice. Making sure everything's laid out, yeah. Perfect, super duper. Right. People think marshalling is all about women, it's all about parties and stuff and nights on the bev. It's not all about that, is it, Kenny? No, it's never about that. It's about getting up in the freezing cold and coming and watching rubbish people be rubbish and drifting. Yeah, are you a bit grumpy this morning by the chance? Really grumpy, never mind. This is his happy day. Is Connor here today? He's walking about doing bins. Oh, bins, yeah, that's incredible. Yeah, bins being done over there. Yeah, look, so guys, so again, bins being attended over there. He's a champ though, Matthew, like absolutely spot on. Yeah, he was first man here. Oh yeah, every time. He was always like, can you let me in please? I'm like, oh, let's have some banner. He's like, no, there's work to do. What to do? All part of a day as Driftland Marshal, assisting Chief Mechanical Officer Stuart McClellan here with a recovery operation. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. I'm probably just going to leave them to that retreat, go back to the office and wait for Louise to arrive. These guys battling the cold already, I've had enough. I can't believe they're going to spend all day out in this. But that's life as a marshal. It's just cold. Standing in the cold. Yeah, for 4 hours. Yeah. It's going to be brutal. 4 whole hours. But you've got this on. Oh, that makes all the difference. That makes all the difference. Aye. Do with some company issue. You don't hear Derek complaining about the cold, do you? Derek was complaining to me that his jacket's not big enough, actually. Oh, you need a bigger jacket. Closed, but I mean, I'm a polar. We need a more hunky jacket size. Is that what we're saying? I'm a wee bit beefier than these girls. I'll feed that. You hear that? He's a real man. That's why he's a real man. Let's face it. Derek's thighs the size of Kenny's waist. Yes, it's true. Yeah, well, that's about it. Yeah. I'll speak to the wardrobe mistress for a bigger size for you. Just even an extra piece at the front. Yeah, just a sort of a pop-in kind of thing. No, medium will just join them again. Aye, turn that way. Spider jacket. Status update, Kenneth. How are we doing? Just assigning everybody jobs. Yeah. Oh, whew, like okay, go. So Matthew, you're going to be on the end bond being checkered flag guy. How's that feel? Good. Yeah, good. He likes that. Good. I don't big corner today. Big corner, yeah. Yeah. I'll probably get Connor to swap out halfway through the day. Derek will get you to be here. Where's Derek going? On this triangle. Derek's going right there beside that fire extinguisher. Lovely. You can move back. If you think here that car's coming in the bund, take 3 or 4 steps back. That's alright, it'll hit me and it'll do more damage. Yeah. Seriously, take 4 steps back. We won't call you a shite bag, it's fine. No, I'll call you. I'll do that. No, I don't worry, I don't care. Yeah, and what you do yourself, Star Marshal? Always. Recoveries. I'll be joining you for a few recoveries today. Yeah, I heard you're disciplined today. Yeah, I'll be giving some feedback to the drivers, making sure they're all behaving. Driver discipline? Yeah. I'm so into that. Yeah. Feel free, you can have that. Yeah, absolutely. I think that's us, lads. Cafe time. Cafe time? Yeah. Woo! Now, I haven't seen any marshals for a while, which normally means they've had a wee sneaky off into the cafe. Oh aye, oh aye. Lads, having a wee nutritious breakfast this morning.
Your sustenance.
Does that mean all operations have been taken care of for the morning?
Oh aye, we're on top of it, right?
Oh, I wonder, is the spa in good condition? Is it awaiting some new customers today?
Aye.
Wonderful. Well, Christ, you might as well enjoy your delicious, freshly prepared foods here from the Driftland Cafe. I'll catch up with you guys before briefing. Who's going to be my door security for briefing?
I like ruining people's days. All the drivers in here now, Red.
Kenny, it's the last couple of minutes, which is normally where I like to panic like absolute hell. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hand over the camera so like this. Thanks, Kenny. If anyone tries to be late,
Yeah, you can all fuck off and lost them out of their own drifting time.
did you see this guest speaker?
Nah. Guess who missed the briefing? Yeah, I missed the briefing. It is Captain. Missed the briefing, buddy.
Missed it?
Yeah, you've
Just
got
go
an
home.
hour.
Just go home or wait an hour?
Yeah, an hour. I would
Nice.
suggest waiting an hour.
Do you know, it's a funny story actually.
Go on, tell
I'll
you
tell
a
you.
funny story.
I went down to Lochgelly cash machine, pulled out 100 quid, forgot to grab it, went into the shop, bought a can of Red Bull, drove up here, no money, back down, got
Was
50.
it still there?
Nah, because it pulls it back in.
Oh.
50 quid, comes back up just to get in, so I should most definitely be in there.
Can't let you in, buddy.
Ah,
Good story though. If you notice any violations of the regulations, it's probably my fault, okay? Just wanted to say that just now. So don't go absolutely Kenny. Don't go like, yeah, you're gonna get killed by me.
Listen to the briefing, you Ren didn't say that in the
Ren
briefing.
didn't say that much today in the briefing, so be easy on people, okay? Don't be, don't feel rage.
Let's put the camera to them and ask them what they did wrong.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that at the end of every crash, so we'll get on with that. Right.
Let's bring the cars down and start
Yeah, let's
checking
bring the
them,
cars down. Good. What's happened here? Oh my goodness. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Go backwards. Go backwards from this side.
Yeah.
Yeah. A lot of stones. That was fast. Yeah, you ran out of talent really quickly. I think we're going to put you backwards. Can you turn your steering wheel to the right? My right? Yeah, you're right. Cool, just leave it there. Leave it there. That's straight enough, just so that'll pull you back nice and softly. Well done. You've got footage of that as well.
I think so, yeah.
How are you feeling about being a passenger in that?
Not great.
Not great. I wouldn't be either, to be honest. That's why we make you sign a disclaimer.
Oh, yeah.
Well done, guys. Just get you up and then hopefully straight back out of this. Fingers crossed. I think this could be smashing out. First recovery, it's absolutely wonderful.
Oh, nah, it's just your first recovery, mate. I've been busy.
Oh, sorry, mate. Right. Right. We've got a sweeping that we need to do. Bastards, eh? Sweeping, horrible. Right. Beautiful. Lovely. Right hand it, yep. Ah, wonderful.
Have a wee journey down and see.
Let's have a wee look, see. It's bloody Angus. It's bloody Angus from Conzilla.
Yeah, that's who I had to shout at for being on his phone.
On his phone in the queue, that is a new thing.
Yeah, after being told 1 minute to go. Oh, just start browsing Facebook.
Just doing Instagrammings. No, bloody Angus, here he is. He looks like... Oh, he's on his phone! He's not on his phone. Naughty old Angus.
Yeah, can you bring those cars down to me, please?
That's nice and close. There he is.
It sounds like it's running, so
Yeah.
have you lost drive? Yeah, you lost drive. Yeah, that's what that is.
Need all deaf from the props and the badness.
He's lost drive, well it's doing something. It's not driving though, is it? Oh, that's lost drive.
I think bloody Angus has started up his car again, but...
Right lads, I think you can send them if you're all clear.
Yeah. Here he goes. Oh, double chicanes. I'm surprised you're going for it.
Oh aye. Mate, I drove miles through here backwards and he was absolutely mad. That's
You
what I
managed to
mean.
steer it, that's
He's
perfect.
fucking amazing in reverse.
No, catastrophic differential failure for bloody Angus.
Andy built it.
Let's drop him off here. Perfect. So, a quick post-driver interview.
Yeah, let's go and see what he's saying to it. What do you think's broken?
Well,
Angus, I'm going to suggest you've got terminal differential failure.
I feel like there might be some kind of issue going on down there.
Are you driving this home? Or you,
That was the plan,
plan. Right, it's time for a plan B, isn't it?
Yeah, it is a bit,
Damn,
yeah.
damn. Well, good luck fixing it or staring at it for an hour.
Yeah, I'm sure I'll get it sorted out.
Be fine.
5 minutes.
It'll be fine or it won't. Well, controversial end. As you can see, he's killed his car. Stacia's pretty much been in the wall every time he's been here the last few days, and today's no exception. So the Marshals are finishing off their day with a bit of an epic recovery session to have to do. I don't envy them at all. This might impact quite a bit on our after school drift club, so hopefully that can go ahead. Guys, thank you very much for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Please leave me a little like at the bottom, much appreciated. Catch you guys soon. It's normally time to go home at the end of a drift day, isn't it?
Nah, mate, it's bloody bins.
No, it's bin time. Connor says bins are no bother though.
I'll film him and see.
You're going to film them and see how it goes on?
Yeah.
Am I going to hand over filming to your good self, Kenny?
Yes, mate.
Excellent, mate.
Excellent, thanks very much. Bye then!
Bye.
Probably us done. Happy with that? You seem ecstatic, all of you. Home time!